Ever wondered how to make a delicious pasta salad with Italian dressing and spaghetti noodles? Well, the secret lies in the perfect balance of fresh ingredients, al dente pasta, and a zesty Italian dressing. Today, we're diving into the art of crafting this delightful dish, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, gather all the ingredients. You'll need half a pound of spaghetti, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, half a cup of black olives, 1 cup of diced cucumber, half a cup of diced red onion, 1 cup of diced bell pepper, half a cup of chopped fresh basil, and of course, your favorite Italian dressing. Start by cooking the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with water, add a generous pinch of salt, and bring it to a rolling boil. Add the spaghetti and cook it until it's al dente, which means it should have a slight bite to it. While the spaghetti is cooking, it's time to prep the vegetables. Slice the cherry tomatoes in half, dice the cucumber, bell pepper, and red onion, and chop the fresh basil. Then, slice the black olives. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain it and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process and cool it down quickly. This also helps to remove any excess starch. Now it's time to assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine the cooled spaghetti, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper, red onion, black olives, and fresh basil. The next step is the dressing. Pour your Italian dressing over the salad. The amount you use is entirely up to you. Some like their salad lightly dressed, while others prefer a more generous amount. Toss everything together until every strand of spaghetti and every piece of vegetable is coated in the dressing. And there you have it, a vibrant and refreshing pasta salad with spaghetti noodles and Italian dressing. It's the perfect dish for a summer picnic, a potluck, or even as a side dish for your weekday lunches. In summary, crafting this pasta salad is a straightforward process. It begins with cooking the spaghetti to al dente perfection, followed by prepping the fresh vegetables. The salad comes together in a large bowl where everything gets tossed with the zesty Italian dressing. The result is a refreshing and flavorful dish that's as versatile as it is delicious. So the next time you're in the mood for a pasta dish that's a little different, remember this recipe. It's simple, it's tasty, and it's sure to impress. Enjoy the process, savor the flavors, and most importantly, have fun making it. After all, cooking is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Bon appétit!